bring balance to tape conversion and stacking. With FATSCOPY, Innovation Data Processing's consolidation, conversion, and migration tool for ZOS tape media. Magnetic tape plays a key role in ZOS storage hierarchy, and hardware vendors are continuing to develop tape media products with increasing capacity and performance. Standalone tape and cartridge drives have formed the basis of tape media usage for the past 4 decades. But ZOS shops are increasingly turning to virtual tape systems and libraries. They provide excellent gains in price and performance, and their utilization will increase as more vendors introduce products into the market. Increased tape capacity and the wide range of tape hardware available present a unique set of problems. It is essential, for example, to ensure that tape capacity is fully utilized, especially when using a robot system where limited tape slots are available. When new tape technology is introduced, there is usually a requirement to migrate some or all of the data on old tape media across to the new, higher capacity tapes. Similarly, when hardware support for older tape media, such as 3480 and 3490E, is phased out, data has to be migrated from the unsupported media. And when a virtual tape system is first installed, or when an old VTS is replaced by a newer one, data stored in the old system has to be migrated to the new one. FATSCOPY is an option of FATS Fatter and offers a high-performance and automated process for moving and recataloguing tape-based data sets. Whether you're consolidating tape data to higher capacity tapes, converting to new tape media, or implementing or replacing a virtual tape system, FATSCOPY is an ideal tool for the mass relocation of data from one tape media to another. FATSCOPY can copy individual files or the entire contents of one or more tape volumes, either to a new tape or to a VTS. It automatically stacks and consolidates files onto the output tapes and will recatalog the moved files to the new tape. Data can be selected for migration through a wide range of criteria, including the full or masking name of the tape valseers to be copied, or the full or generic names of individual tape files. Data sets can also be selected or excluded by other criteria, including expiration date or the name of the ZOS batch job that created them. Let's look at some examples of how to use FATSCOPY, starting with the process of copying and stacking tapes. FATSCOPY's ability to select, copy, and recatalog tape data allows you to quickly and easily consolidate data that is spread across multiple tapes onto fewer or even just one new tape. Even if you have a VTS installed, this facility may still be of interest to you if you wish to consolidate your remaining non-VTS data onto as few tapes as possible. When you are in the process of upgrading your tape hardware, you will probably want to convert most of your existing tape-based data to the new media. This tape media conversion can be achieved with FATSCOPY. You can use FATSCOPY to copy entire tapes to the new media, or you can select individual or groups of files to be copied. If you wish to exclude one or more files, for example, expired files, this can easily be achieved with FATSCOPY's flexible exclude criteria. FATSCOPY is also the perfect tool to assist with the first-time implementation of a virtual tape system. FATSCOPY can copy data from external tapes and write it to one or more virtual tapes in a virtual tape system. FATSCOPY supports all of the major vendor systems, including the IBM TS7700, Sun VTS, EMC DLM, Bustech MDL, and Fujitsu Centric Store. FATSCOPY supports both tape-based and tapeless systems. Virtual tape systems have been around for many years now, and we're starting to see some shops converting from their original system to a newer one, supplied either from the same or a different manufacturer. FATSCOPY can be used to copy individual data sets or entire virtual tape volumes from one virtual tape system to another and across vendor platforms. Let's take a closer look now at how FATSCOPY is executed. FATSCOPY tasks can be initiated either through a standard ZOS batch job or through ISPF panels. Here is an example of a batch job selecting specific files spread across multiple tapes, then copying and stacking them onto a single output tape. We're selecting via the ZOS catalog all tape-based data sets that have APPL as the first 4 characters of the first level of the name and any 5th character. The second level of the name can be anything. The third level must be Save, and there can be any number of additional levels. Only the datasets that were created during the first 100 days of the year 2009 will be selected. This is more complex than most copy jobs, but it demonstrates the power and flexibility of FATSCOPY's dataset selection criteria. This second example is copying to a VTS all of the files on tapes numbered 030427, 010034, and 004961. Only the files that are correctly cataloged will be copied over to the VTS. While experienced users may like executing FATSCOPY natively through ZOS batch jobs, others may prefer to use the supplied ISPF panels. As you can see from the main FATSCOPY selection menu, Option 1 allows you to select from a range of tape valseers, while Option 2 can be used to select from a supplied list of specific or generic valseers. Option 3 is used to select and/or exclude individual or groups of datasets using the ZOS catalog. Audit reporting on a specific FATSCOPY operation can also be viewed through the ISPF panels. On the All DSN panel, all datasets on one or more tapes are copied. In our example, FATSCOPY will copy datasets from a range of tapes beginning with BK0012 and ascending for 20 tapes, continuing with BK0013, then BK0014, and so on. Ordinarily, the copy process would continue to BK0031, but valseers BK0016 and BK0022 have been excluded. This example demonstrates how easy it is to copy a large number of datasets from a wide range of tape volumes, all from a single ISPF panel. This next example shows how individual valseers, either full or generic, can be used to drive the copy process. And here is an example of selection by tape dataset names rather than by tape valseers. 3 sets of selection criterion will pick up a range of datasets from the MET application, and we've also provided an exclude for a specific file that will not be included in the copy process. We've set a value of 7 for the EXPDT group operand, which tells FATSCOPY to look at the expiration dates of the datasets being copied and to group together on the output tape or tapes those that expire within the same 7-day period. Aside from the main tape copy, conversion, and consolidation features, FATSCOPY also includes several additional features, including auditing, checkpoint restart, and simulation. Let's take a quick look at each. The audit feature allows you to view a detailed report of a FATSCOPY job, which includes a list of all the datasets that have been copied and the input and output tape valseers included in the process. An audit dataset is created by FATSCOPY when an audit DD is present in the JCL. The FAT audit program is used to produce the audit reports. The generated summary report is shown here. FATSCOPY can create a checkpoint dataset during a simulation run that can be used as input to a subsequent FATSCOPY job to copy the datasets selected during the simulation. FATSCOPY also has an operator communications function that allows you to display the status of a FATSCOPY copy job or to stop the copy job and restart it at a later time. You can run FATSCOPY in simulation mode to see which datasets and tapes will be involved in the copy process, but without actually copying or recataloguing any datasets. Here's an example of a simulation report as viewed through the ISPF panels. It shows the names of the datasets that will be selected for the copy process, as well as the tape valseers where those datasets currently reside. Other details, such as the tape file sequence number and dataset expiration date, are also shown. An estimate of the number of output tapes required to hold the selected datasets is given at the bottom of the simulation report. FATSCOPY provides the perfect solution to your tape management problems. It helps you make full use of your high-capacity tapes and provides you with an easy method for converting from old tape media to new media. If you're installing a VTS for the first time, or perhaps switching to a different VTS manufacturer, FATSCOPY can help move your tape data into the new VTS system as quickly and efficiently as possible. ZOS shops around the world are making use of FATSCOPY to fulfill their tape copy, conversion, and consolidation needs. One shop recently used FATSCOPY to migrate 9,03490 E-tapes and 1,09840 tapes into a new VTS system. FATSCOPY tasks were run in the background over a 6-week period to trickle copy the data across into the VTS system. The work was completed without causing any downtime or other interruption to production services. FATSCOPY is an option of FATS Fatter, the all-purpose tape media management tool for ZOS, allowing you to recover from I/O errors or overwritten tapes, certify the physical quality of tape media, and verify the readability of data on tape. Another useful feature is the FATS Erase facility. FATS Erase can erase an entire or partial tape, as shown in the following JCL examples. The tape erase feature is useful if you are decommissioning tapes. You can use FATS Erase to erase the entire contents of each tape before it leaves the safe confines of your data center. This example will allow you to erase 3 tapes concurrently. Tape valseers starting with 100001 through 100150 will be erased. And if you regularly send tapes containing data off-site, you can improve overall data security by using FATS Erase to ensure that no data exists after the end of tape marker. One of our users, a large insurance company, runs FATS Erase before sending any tapes to their business partners to ensure that there will not be any residual data left on their tapes. The MAP facility provides a compact summary of the characteristics of all files on a tape. In this example, label equals BLP is specified on the tape-in DD statement, which allows any tape to be mounted when a request for valseer 999,999 is issued, although you may need to specify an expiration date of 98,000 so that your tape management system does not attempt to verify volume 999,999. The dataset name in the JCL does not have to be correct. Fatter will automatically determine the label type and handle them if present, and if the labels are ANSI, both labels and data will be translated to EBCDIC. To request the product portfolio, concepts and facilities guide, and a free no-obligation trial of FATSCOPY, click here.